We're at Hospital Direct Medical looking at stretchers, Stryker stretchers in this case, and one of the most popular stretchers for OBGYN is the Stryker 1061. It's called a Gurney stretcher. And we have two of these Gurney stretchers right now that are completely refurbished and reconditioned. And the stretcher, the Gurney 1061 is going to have some features that other stretchers don't have. Namely, you've got stirrups that are going to come out. Those are adjustable. And then you also have a middle section of the stretcher which is going to drop down. But to start off with, what we'll do is just take a real quick look at the stirrups. The stirrups have these little hand pieces. You can just bring these right down, drop them down, and then the stirrups themselves are going to tuck under and they'll be out of the way. So they're there if you need them, and they are adjustable. So as far as the length of the stretcher or the unit, you don't have to you can pull it out only as far as you need it. We're going to go ahead and tuck those in. And it's going to work just like any other stretcher. Aside from that, as far as transportation goes and patient transport, these are going to be used for pelvic exams and different types of OBGYN. They're very popular in an ER. So on the far left right there, you've got your kick pump. That's going to give you the elevation up and down. You've got Trendelenburg, reverse Trendelenburg, and if you put the middle of the pedal there, you're going to also have a straight up and down feature. And then you're going to have your steer, neutral, and your brake. Steer, if you kick it down the other way, what it does is it keeps the stretcher from going side to side when you're going down a hallway. Neutral is going to allow the stretcher to go in any direction, and then your brake obviously is going to lock the stretcher down. Here you've got your rail control. If you lift this up right here, you can drop the side rails. And then also you have a unique feature with this stretcher, which is again another red piece right here. But if you lift this up, and we'll go ahead and do it right now, you can drop the section of the stretcher down. So we have both the stretchers in different positions, and this is going to be used also for different types of maternity. But if you do decide that you need the stirrups back out again, give you a little better look, and again you can just lift the handle, adjust them to the right height, and now you've got a stretcher that's going to basically give you a little bit more flexibility for different patient positioning. Just pull right out, close the handle, lift them right up. So if you're looking for OBGYN stretchers, these are again popular for ERs, emergency room. The Gurney 1061 is one of the best stretchers made in the used refurbished stretcher market. If we go around, normal features again are going to be your rail up and down. So we just basically lift this up and the rail is going to drop right down. You've got an IV pole, which is always a standard feature if you need it, but if you don't need it, it tucks right under. And then you also have your push controls, and then you're also going to have another set of brakes. So when you're moving the patient, you've got the ability to put it into steer or neutral. So again, if you're looking for OBGYN stretchers, this is also used for different types of medical practices. But the OBGYN stretcher, the Gurney, one of the best you can buy in the used refurbished market. Again, Hospital Direct Medical, we're based out of San Diego, California. We're also based out of Richmond, Virginia, and we do have a satellite office in Winchester, Virginia. So if you're looking for an OBGYN stretcher and you need it at a good price, give us a call. Our direct number, 858-652-1259. You can also call our office direct in San Diego, and they can refer you to the proper location, which you'll need to have it shipped from, 858-263-4894. And you can also call us directly in Virginia at 540-327-7376. Hospital Direct Medical, your one-stop shop for refurbished and reconditioned Stryker and Hill-Rom medical stretchers.